Good day, you are welcome to my channel. I want us to quickly consider this question. We are to solve the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 20, equation 1, then 2 log x base 10 minus log y base 10 equal to 1, equation 2. So we are going to first of all resolve this one with logarithm. We need to simplify it. And how do we simplify it? First and foremost, we are going to return these two to the power of x using this law of indices. Law of logarithm. Logarithm and indices, they are almost related. Logarithm. By this law, any number in front of the log, you can take it as the power of n. So that is exactly what I'm going to do here. It's going to be log s raised to power 2 base 10, then minus log y base 10 equal to 1. I'm going to change this one to log 10 base 10 using this. Whenever you have log a base a, when the power and the base are the same, it is equal to 1. Because this one and base 10, I'm going to use base 10. It's going to be log what? 10, log 10 base 10. That is it. And we can simplify further using this third law, that whenever you have log m minus log n, you can give them a single log, then it will be m minus its division divided by n. That is what we are going to do here now. So this one will now be giving them a single log s square divided by what? Y base what? Base 10 equal to what? Log 10 base 10. That implies that since this log base 10 base 10, then this one, they are equal. Then we now have s square over y is equal to what? 10. Then we can now say that if you cross multiply, we can now say s square is equal to what? 10y. Let's call this one equation 3. Let's call this equation 3. So from here now, we can now look at what we can do to this to be able to substitute. I can make y the subject of formula here. So when I'm making y the subject of formula, I'm going to have s square divided by 10. I call this one, let me call it equation 4. I will now substitute y equal to s square over 2 over 10 rather in equation 1. I'm substituting it in equation 1, and this is my equation 1. So anywhere I see y, I'm going to put this. So I'm going to have 3x plus 2, this is y, 2y mean s square over 10 equal to what? 20. So simplify this, 3x, 2 will cancel this. I'm going to have 2 here, 1, 2 here is 5. I'm going to have s square over 5 equal to what? 20. So this one is having fraction. I can multiply through by what? By 5. I multiply through by 5. 3x plus s square over 5 equal to 20. So multiply through by 5. Multiply through by 5. 5 times 3x, that will be 15x. Then 5 times s squared, the 5 will cancel 5. I'm going to have plus what? S squared. 5 times 20, that will be equal to what? 100. Then we arrive at this a quadratic equation. Let me rearrange it. S squared plus 15x. If I bring this one to this side, it become minus 100 equal to 0. So now we look for, we simplify this using what? Factorization method. What if we multiply this? This is going to give him minus 100 s squared. What are the factors of 100? That when I multiply it, is going to give me minus 100, and when I add it, it's giving me plus 15. And those factors are simply plus 20 minus, that will be plus 20x, and what? Minus 5x. So that plus 20x minus 5x will represent it. Then we are having x squared plus 20x minus 5x minus 100 equal to 0. So from this place now we can factorize. X is common, we bring out the x plus 20, then minus 5 is common. So we have x plus 20 equal to 0. So from here, x minus 5, we have x plus 20 equal to 0. So x is equal to 5, or x is equal to what? Minus 20. So we have gotten two values for x. We can then use it to look for what? Y. So when x is equal to 5, or when x is equal to 5, then we want to look for y. Y in what? In equation 1. Let's look for y in equation, or let's use equation 4. In equation 4, we want to look for y in equation 4. So equation 4 says y is equal to x squared over 10. So meaning if x is equal to 5, we are going to have 5 squared over 10. So y is now equal to 25 over 10, which is equal to 2.5 or 2.5. So that is that. So when x is equal to minus 20, we want to look for y in equation 4 again. So equation 4 is still y is equal to what? X squared over 10. So what is y here? S here is what? Minus 20 square over 10. So minus 20, that is going to give us, minus 20 square, that is going to give us 400 over 10. So this will cancel, meaning that y is equal to what? 40. So that is how we solve this problem. Thank you.